Planning to study MBBS in China or any other undergrad course, then you must have already heard about the CSE exam. But here's the truth, most students are actually confused. That is it compulsory? Is it difficult? Do you really need to qualify it? Do marks matter in it? But don't worry, in this video I'll explain everything, what CSE actually is, who needs to actually give this exam pattern, preparation strategy, and also all the truth that nobody will tell you about this particular examination. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harsh and I'm intern MBBS student at China University, and in this video I'll talk about a new exam that has been introduced by China for students who are planning to study any bachelor program which goes by the name of CSE, and share some exam tips, requirements, eligibility criteria, and also how you can actually prepare for it. So number one, what is this CSE exam? So CSE stands for Chinese Scholastic Standardized College for Admission Assessment. So it is an entrance type exam introduced for international students who want to study any of the bachelor programs in China, especially MBBS. Number one, it is a basic screening test if you are planning to come to China, and also it also checks whether you are actually ready to study in China or not. Let me tell you some more important fact. If you are an Indian and coming to China, it is not as tough as the NEET examination, and also this is not any rank based examination just like other exams that are held in various countries in which you are given a rank. So it is more like a qualification and assessment test, and also it is for admission and scholarship. This will matter also. Is CSE compulsory? This is the most common question I am getting these days by students, and it is the most confusing question as well. And here's my answer. Number one, it really depends upon university. More than 300 universities have already agreed to use this CSE examination as a basic requirement, and they have already implemented it. But this is the first year, so most of the universities out of those 300 are not particularly asking for set numbers that they need this much of number for qualification. They are just saying, okay, if you have given that exam, you are good to go, you can get admission. But there are few universities which have set their own criteria, and there are also few universities which do not require CSCA for admission into any of their bachelor programs. Let me give you a reality check as well. Most of the popular universities, top tier ones or the mid tier ones, are actually asking for CSCA. So and this is the first year, so even if you just attempt the examination, you're good to go. So it is better, and I would really say it is better, and you should prefer giving this CSE examination. Number three, okay, if you're going to give the CSE examination, now the next question is, what are the different subjects included in this CSE examination, and what is the exam pattern? And let me tell you, this is also a lot more confusing than you might think, because हर एक कोर्स के लिए अलग अलग सेट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिनके एग्जाम्स को देना मैंडेटरी है. Like if you're planning for MBBS, you need to write this chemistry and also mathematics in CSE, basic mathematics. It's just basic mathematics, not like very high level mathematics. It's just basic mathematics. You need to give that, and the exam pattern is multiple choice questions. There are multiple questions, and they have a level of like 11th and 12th standard 10+2. That's it. It is not even that tough, and the examination is usually of 2 to 3 hours. अगर इसके level का comparison करें, if you do compare it to NEET or other like medical entrance examination held in other countries like Pakistan में MDCAT and all, so it is not even that hard. It is somewhat similar to like 10+2 level. Basic MCQs, that's it. And if your concepts are clear, you can really do good in this examination. Now here comes the next question कि CSCA के marks ज़्यादा important है या फिर 12th के marks ज़्यादा important है? And let me tell you, both matter. दोनों के मार्क्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, दोनों के ही मार्क्स. 12th में भी लाइक एवरी यूनिवर्सिटी हैज़ गॉट देयर ओन सेट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड कि उनको कितने आपके बोर्ड के परसेंटेजेस चाहिए. सम माइट आस्क, सम आर गुड टू गो विद 50% ऑल्सो, एंड सम माइट ऑल्सो नीड 75 to 80%. So it really depends upon university to university. Universities are taking these CSCA scorecards as an like assessment tool, and to standardize students coming from different countries, and also to check their real understandings. Now coming to the most important point, how you can exactly prepare for this CSCA exam. And this is the point where most students get confused. Number one, focus on basics. Revise all the basics of physics, chemistry, and your mathematics. No need for any kind of advanced book or something like that. Practice MCQs. Practice at least a few MCQs, 40 to 50 MCQs on a daily basis. Those MCQs must be concept oriented, not memorization oriented. English section, for English section, like if you're applying for language courses or not, then you might need to give this English exam as well. For that, you need to prepare for grammar and reading comprehension as well. Number 4 is you must be like used to how to exactly manage your time during the examination. For that, practicing MCQs is the best thing that you can do, and do not spend a lot of time on solving one question, because every single question is going to give you just 1 marks. That's it. It does not matter if you invest 10 minutes into solving one, or 1 minute, or 30 seconds. It will still give you like just 1 marks. Now here's the pro tip for you. 70% focus on the biology, 20% chemistry, and 10% on the physics, and rest on the mathematics. That's it. And even if you're consistent for 1 to 2 hours on a daily basis, you can easily get good scores in this CSE examination. Coming to some of the common mistakes that students do make while preparing for these examinations. Number 1, they think that this examination is very hard. It is not that much hard. And also they ignore the exam completely. They do not study anything or prepare anything. Number 3, the mistake that students do is not preparing the basics. They think that they need to memorize more and more and more, whereas this exam is more concept oriented, not memorization or studying. And उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर स्टडी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, so that like you are going to a very high level in preparing for this exam. You can just keep it simple, stick to the basics, and you can score really good in this. Let me tell you the reality. CSCA is not meant to fail you. It is just meant to like filter out students or categorize a student into different categories, so that universities can filter out or check your real like current situation, like how much do you really know right now. It is just meant to filter out unprepared students. That's it. If you have basic knowledge and understanding, you can easily like score good in this examination. And now if you're planning to do MBBS in China or any other undergrad course, do not ignore this CSE exam, and do not fear it either. Also comment CSE if you want sample questions, preparation notes, and university list. If you do like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.